What if your IP address could change automatically every 10 seconds without you touching a thing? No paid VPN, no manual work, completely free. First, head to the Onion Hop GitHub page, link in the description. Go to the Releases section and download the version for your system. I'm on Windows and I'll be installing the CLI version, and I recommend you do the same because it's way easier to auto-rotate your IP in the CLI version. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. You'll see this warning. No worries, just click More Info and then Run Anyway. The installation will start. Make sure you enable Create a Desktop shortcut, then click Next and finally install. It only takes about a minute to finish. Now open Windows Settings and search for Internet options. In the pop-up that appears, click the Connections tab, then LAN Settings. Check the box for Use a proxy server for your LAN. Now click Advanced and make sure all these fields are empty. Then press OK. Now make sure Use a proxy server for your LAN stays enabled. Now head to your desktop and open the Onion Hop. This interface will open on your screen. Just type Connect and hit Enter. It'll start right away. Give it a few minutes. The first launch always takes some time.
A few moments later.
Once you're connected, you'll see your IP and your traffic is now going through Tor. To confirm your IP actually changed, just check the What is my IP website. Now for the main part. Open your browser and download AutoHotkey. After downloading, install this software. It just took around 2 minutes to install this software. Next, open Notepad and paste in this script. Give it any name. Then save it to your desktop. Your script is ready. Now make sure Onion Hop open and connected. Then double-click your script to start it. It might feel a little slow at first. To speed it up, just lower the sleep value and rerun it. And as you can see now, it's so fast that Onion Hop can barely even assign a new IP before the next one rotates in. To stop the script, go to the system tray in the bottom right corner. Find this program, right-click it, and hit Exit. So that's how you rotate your IP address automatically. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for more tips like this. When Onion Hop stops, your internet will stop working too. Easy fix: open Windows Settings, search Internet Options, click the Connections tab, then LAN Settings, and uncheck Use a proxy server. That's it. You're back to normal.